Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 Chevy Corvette Stingray. This one's a torch red. Underneath it's a 6.2 V8 pushing out 460 horsepower and 465 pounds of torque. This one does have front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels, we've got 19 inches in the rear, 18 in the front chrome. The wheels are in good condition. Black leather interior, carbon fiber top that's removable. Around back, Corvette badging. Open up the tailgate. Clean set of floor mats. Quad exhaust. Alongside, power windows, Bose sound system, memory seats. This one does come out with a heads-up display, push start ignition, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a rear view backup camera, heated and cooled seats, touchscreen media display, 6-speed automatic transmission, our mode select for our different driving patterns. This Stingray has 14,227 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Chevy, check out feldmanimports.com.